Hey guys, welcome to another WordPress tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to add the URL or a link for a web page on a button like this one. And I'm going to show you how to do it in 2 minutes. And of course, if you like this video and if you find what you're looking for, I invite you to hit the like and subscribe. So let's begin the tutorial. And let me just remind you, for this website, I'm using Avada Builder, which is the builder that I'm using for this type of theme. I'm not using Elementor. This is a different builder. So let's go to Edit Live. So we're gonna hit Edit Live, and then we're gonna find the customize option for the button. So here we are, button options. Click, and then you're gonna see this right here, button URL. So this is where you're gonna type in your URL or the link for the web page that you want this to function. So whatever page is that you want to send people whenever they click this button, you're gonna put it here. So as you see, for this header, I'm introducing the calculators for members to use them. And for my YouTube channel, they have to go to my YouTube channel and get the membership here, the gold member. So whenever they hit that or they click the button, it will send them to this page. So we're gonna copy and paste this URL right here. So we're gonna right click and then copy, and then we're gonna go here and paste. All right, so it is active, and then we're gonna hit save. Now let's test it and see how it works. All right, we gotta hit the preview, and then one of the things that I keep forgetting is that whenever I want to make a test, if something works, is to get out of the live edit. So make sure you click here, resume home, and it will open another window. So this is how it looks like now, and we're gonna click get gold membership, and there it is. There you guys have it. It works perfectly. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. Again, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys again on the next tutorial. Thank you.